Hello YouTubers, this is your host Swaroop here and welcome to Mathematics, where maths becomes easy and fun. Today we will be discussing about how to find cube roots easily. I'll show you an efficient, easy and simple method how to do that. So before that you just have to do a little bit of memorization of these cubes. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, so on. And in fact, I think you don't have to memorize. Yeah, you don't have to memorize this. I'll show you another technique to remember these cubes. So we'll see that now. See the numbers 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. You can see that all of these have the same number as their ending digit. 4 has 4 here, 5 has 5, 6 has 6, 9 has 9 and 1 obviously has 1. So these digits, when they are in a number, when we cube them, there will be this, we'll get the same digit at the last. So I'm just writing them here as a list: 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. For this we'll have same. Now if you see the remaining numbers here, the 2, 3 and 7, 8, if you see 2 cubed is 8 and 8 cubed gets a 2, so it's like they both are sort of a pair. 8 is paired with 2. Similarly 3 and 7, 3 got a 7 here, 7 gets a 3 here, so even 7 and 3 are a pair. So I'm writing them 2 comma 8 is one pair, 3 comma 7 is another pair. I'm just writing them as partners. So that's the only thing you just have to remember. And yeah, one more thing, with this method you can find the cube roots of numbers where the cube roots are 2-digit numbers. You can't find if the cube roots are 3-digit numbers. I'll show you another easy trick maybe in the next video or in the next couple of videos if possible. So with that being said, let's start with an example. Let's take a simple and an easy one. 15,625. So when we are dealing with a number and we have to find the cube root, first separate out the thousands part and the other part. So we have 15 before this comma and 625 after the comma. So now you have to check where this 15 lands in this number line. So if you see, 15 will be in between 8 and 27. So the cube root, when we are taking the cube root, it will be between 2 and 3. So when we get that sort of case, we'll write the smallest number. So 2. So the first digit is 2. And now here for this part, consider only the last digit 5, and we have seen that 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, the cube will be the same. So when we have a 5 here, just put out 5 here blindly. So that is the cube. 25 cubed is 15,625. That's how we do. So let's take another example now. This one is even more easier. Say 4096, comma here 4 and 096, and this 4 is in between. If you see, this 4 is in between 1 and 8. So in the cube root section it is in between 1 and 2, and as I said, when we get 2 we have to take the smallest number, which is 1, and for 096, similarly as I said for 5, similarly when we get 6, blindly put a 6 here. So that's it. 16 cubed is 4096. Now let's take another example. This time we'll see a bit interesting example. 79,507. Separate out 79 and 507. And this 79 is in between 64 and 125. So we'll take the smallest one, which is 4. 4 is the first digit. And now here we got a 7 in the end. And if you remember from the before slide, I said that 7 has a pair, a partner of 3. So when we get a 7 here, blindly put 3. So that's the answer. 43 cubed is 79507. So that's how we do it. Use this trick. You can trick your friends. You can puzzle everybody with this. Ask them to tell any cube root, any cube of a 2-digit number, and you will be able to tell them within seconds with a bit of practice. So hope you enjoyed this trick. This is Swaroop signing off, and have a good day or night, depending on wherever you are. So see ya.